What we want to do in problems like this is always go from the smallest quantity and have that be your base. So if Carly is older than Stacy, who's older than Ben, then try and make Ben your base. And we'll just call Ben a small b. We're not sure what that value is, but the others are relative to that. So Stacy is 5 years older than Ben. So she would be whatever Ben is plus 5. For example, if Ben is 4 years old, Stacy would be 4 plus 5, 9 years old. But we don't know what Ben is, but we can still do it. That's the secret of algebra. Carly is 4 years older than Stacy, so she's Stacy's age, which is b plus 5, plus another 4, but you can simplify that to being b plus 9. Now, if we make a number sentence, we add these 3 together to make 17. So Ben plus b plus 5 plus Carly b plus 9 altogether equals 17. We rearrange those, so we put the b's together. So there's b 3 times, so we say 3 times the age of Ben, and then we put the constants together, 5 and 9 plus 14 equals 17. Well, so now we want to know, well, what would the 3 b's be without the 14? So we subtract 14 from both sides and say, we want to know just what the 3 b's are. So 3 b's equal 3. We divide by 3, so that says b equals 1. Now we want to prove this, so we say is 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9, does that really equal 17? So 1 plus 6 plus 10, does that equal 17? So 7 plus 10, does that equal 17? 7 plus 10 is 17, that does equal 17. And we do our happy dance.